Welcome to Use Tools. Today I'll be showing you how to flesh out your underground sprinkler system in preparation for winter. I'm going to show you two methods of draining your underground sprinkler in preparation for winter. In the first method, we disconnect the underground line from the water supply. Then we insert an air hose attached to a compressor and seal the connection with a wet rag or rubber glove. Some sprinkler systems may have an air valve, just like that found on a bike or car tire. In the second method, we close all but one of the water lines and attach the air hose to the valve. When the first line has expelled as much water as possible, we close its valve, then open the valve for the second water line and blow it out, and so on. The air pressure will force the water out of the lines at the sprinkler heads. That's all there is to it, folks. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you have any questions, please put them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer you in a timely manner. Thanks for watching, and I'll check you next time.